What's going on, peeps? Man, y'all been super busy out here, man. Ultra busy out here, knocking stuff out here in Vegas, man. We working on this campaign right now, trying to get some sellers on deck. You feel me? Look, we back rocking and rolling, full steam ahead out here, y'all. Just kind of trying to give y'all a little bit of an update, man. Out here putting in some work, but yeah, man. So, we've been getting the team back together. We're actually going to be hiring on some official employees out here coming up soon. So, man, definitely stay on the lookout, y'all. There's all types of updates coming, y'all. So just be on the lookout, be prepared. I'm sure y'all gonna start seeing my marketing out here. If you in the Las Vegas area, look, you about to see us. I'm just letting you know right now. You're gonna see them postcards, you're gonna see them bandit signs. You mess around and get a text message, depending on if you're on the house or not, you feel me? So don't be surprised. But we're doing a full-on marketing campaign out here. It's about to get legendary. I really mean that. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. But it's a lot of processes, a lot of steps in the process that actually have to happen for you to really establish like an official business. You feel me? Like in the past, I feel like we've cut some corners. We primarily had people come on as like contractors and things of that nature in the past. But to be honest with you all, like if you really want people to do exactly what you tell them to do, technically you have to bring them on as an employee. Otherwise, you could end up getting yourself into some issues. So, we've been doing all of the processes to actually officially hire on employees out here in Las Vegas. And man, to be honest with you guys, it's a process, y'all. I ain't gonna stop with you. It's definitely a process, man. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but it's definitely worth it. So when it comes to those things, though, guys, like you gotta have W-4 form, you gotta have I-9s, you gotta have, you gotta have all of the business situation, business information, I should say, figured out as well. Meaning like, all of your onboarding and training and, teaching people to make sure that they actually know how to get that job done, right? Because not everyone's gonna immediately know how to actually get the job done. Then you got to put out the job posting. You got to create the job posting, put out the job posting, interview people, have processes in place to actually be able to vet these individuals. So I'm going to be doing some phone interviews as well as like some Zoom interviews. But then, you still got to do a background check and stuff like that. So it's a lot of little moving pieces. I really mean that. And then to even legally hire an employee, you got to get out here and get unemployment insurance. You got to get workers' compensation insurance. It's crazy. Well, not unemployment. Like you'll have to pay into the unemployment tax pool and you'll have to get workers' compensation insurance. So those were a couple of things that we were knocking out yesterday. But man, look, as y'all can see, man, it's not easy out here, man. It's a lot of little moving pieces to the puzzle if you're going to get out here and do this stuff the right way, which a lot of us don't, honestly, Like we just kind of just get out here and just start taking action, right? Well, this time around, man, like I decided, like, look, if we're going to do this, we're going to do it the right way out here in Vegas. I ain't going to come into Vegas and and just be doing it any type of way. We're going to make sure that we actually abide by the rules, abide by the laws, and we don't want to get ourselves into any issues. So, man, it's been a lot of work out here. A lot of work has been put in lately, but I want y'all to know, man, look, you could do this stuff too. There's a lot of opportunity out here. You could definitely put yourself in position to win long term. And one thing that we're going to be doing this time around that's going to be a little bit different than what we did is that in the past, we've kind of primarily focused on like guerrilla marketing methods, right? Like cold calling, bandit signs, text messaging, things like that. This year, we're going to be doing a more so like a brand awareness type of approach, right? So we want to get people calling us. We want to get as many people calling our phones as possible. So we're out here creating some brand awareness, really getting a presence for our business out here. So when people do need to sell, they're actually thinking about us. That's what we want. We really want people to be thinking about us out here, right? So we plan on dominating the competition. We're going to be using some different strategies. I'm not going to talk about them per se up in here, but like I will be doing a video. I will have a video on my YouTube soon where I'm kind of going through all of these processes, talking to you all about the strategies that we're using out here to get these leads coming in. But look, whoo, I'm trying to tell you, y'all, it's about to be crazy out here, boy. Trying to tell you, like, these marketing strategies that we're about to implement, tried and true, proven, they work, they get the job done every time, but they get people calling you. And we're not just using one approach or two, we're literally using like 7 different marketing strategies at the same time, y'all. So just wait. I promise y'all, like if you're in Las Vegas and you have something that you need to sell, reach out to us. Like we legitimately the buyers. Like we not coming in just trying to wholesale everything this year or whatever. If we can wholesale something, we'll wholesale it. If we don't want to keep it for ourselves. So when I say I'm the buyer, I'm the buyer. Like reach out to me. I'm paying for these properties. So if you have anything in Las Vegas off market, please feel free to reach out. I'll definitely look into it. All right, baby. Adios. Oh, okay. But yeah, I'll definitely look into it. If you send me anything in the Las Vegas market, definitely interested in pulling the trigger on something. And that's kind of like low key, like one of our approaches out here. When I talk about that brand presence, one of the things that we're going to be doing this year is that literally on my marketing material, it says, we don't find you buyers, we are the buyers. Right? So we're setting ourselves apart from the competition. We don't want everybody to just see us like another wholesaler or whatever. We really want people to see us as the industry leader when it comes to buying houses out here. Now, I think like if someone's going to sell their off-market distressed property, the first company that they're going to think of is going to be We Buy Ugly Houses. Them the guys over there at Homevestors is usually what most people are going to think of. Well, I'm trying to compete with these guys. I'm trying to become that industry leader out here in the Las Vegas market. This is one of the hottest markets in America right now, too. There's so many deals going down. And I'm sure that, some of you all who may be checking this out or whatever, I'm sure that y'all got tons of deals going on where you all are as well. But a lot of these markets in America are like sellers markets right now, meaning that the sellers are getting like at or above asking price for the properties more often than not right now. So it's very competitive. It's not like just extremely easy to kind of get out here. And actually, a lot of the heavy hitting wholesalers out here and, heavy hitters, make sure that y'all chime in down below on this one. But like a lot of the heavy hitting wholesalers throughout the nation have been talking about how their deal flows have been cutting down, how it hasn't been the same as it was in previous years. Right? So kind of just keep that in mind, y'all. You got to be able to adjust with the times. That's one thing that makes the difference between the people who ultimately make it and the people who falter or fall off, right? You got to be able to adjust. Back in the past, there used to be like radio and the newspaper and the phone book and all of that good stuff. But now it's this phone. Right now, like times are changing, right? And also, because of Rona, because of the moratorium on pre-foreclosures and evictions, a lot of people just simply don't have to sell, or a lot of people just don't want to meet in person, things like that. So you've got to be able to adjust with the times and really, really get out here. So one thing that we're doing to kind of adjust with what's going on in the market right now is that we've become the buyers. We're not just trying to wholesale. We're down to fix and flip properties, do subject to deals, lease options, wraparound mortgages, like literally anything that pays, I'm definitely trying to buy. Let's just put it like that. You have to be open to different strategies. We're also interested in RVs, mobile homes, condos, townhouses. It's not just single families and multis. You really, really got to get creative out here and really kind of think outside the box if you want to get the best results, man. But I just wanted to post a little video, let y'all know that I've been out here working, man. Look, it's super early. It's like 6 something right now. Woke up at 5 every morning, guys. Getting up at 5. Otherwise, it's just not enough time to get this stuff done, y'all. So keep getting out here. Keep rocking and rolling, y'all. It's a lot of little things that need to take place for you to be able to get these deals, for you to be able to establish an organization that's actually going to make sense long term and produce the results that you want. But look, man, put in that work. I promise you, it's so worth it. You may have to put in 12 to 16 hours a day for like 2 to 3 to 4 weeks to actually get everything set up and do it the right way. But go ahead and put in this work, man. It's so worth it. I really, really mean that, man. It's such a blessing. We're out here establishing an entire organization. We're going to have a phone call answer on deck, as well as an acquisition manager to go out to see properties. Look, man, y'all can do this stuff too. Just get out here, take some action. If y'all need game on how to get this stuff done, check out the YouTube channel. Dive into that. There's so much game on there for absolutely free. Dive into the YouTube channel, but just take action. That's the most important thing. Don't just watch these YouTube videos or wherever you're watching this, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Don't just take in this content and then don't do nothing. Like, don't do that. Don't even watch this video if you don't plan on taking action on this stuff. You get what I'm saying? Make sure that y'all out there putting in work every single day. This your one life. You need to act like it every single day. If you working a job right now and you giving 8 hours of your life to another man, you damn sure better put in 8 for yourself, 12 for yourself, 16 for yourself, whatever it is. Put in that work. Don't make excuses. You can't make excuses and make money at the same time. It just don't work like that. You feel me? So anyway, let me go ahead and wrap this up though, man. I hope y'all staying healthy and feeling blessed out there. Until next time, guys, we are out.